You may love a spotless kitchen, but all those cleaners can be harmful to the environment. Well, check out this new system that's saying so long to chemicals and making housework a bit of a science experiment.
This is the Lotus sanitizing system. New, innovative, cost-effective way to clean, disinfect, deodorize your home using just ordinary tap water.
Cleaning with tap water sounds too good to be true. But here's a little demonstration using green dye to show you how it works.
It's as simple as taking the spray bottle, filling it with cold tap water, placing it on the base unit, drop in 1 drop of food coloring, hitting the start button.
Then the system starts a process called superoxygenation. The base unit creates a vortex in the center of the water that pulls out all the harmful contaminants as it's spinning, basically using oxygen to turn regular H2O into a powerful cleaner.
And it will take 2.5 minutes to infuse that water with superoxygen, making it 50% more powerful than bleach.
So the same way the dye disappears from the water, dirt will disappear from your home. The digital readout on the base lets you know when the water is 100% effective and ready to use. It will stay sanitized for up to 15 minutes and then just start again.
It's all natural. You're dealing with just straight water, so it's safe for your children to use it. You can spray it around your pets, not worry about any side effects.
And as for all the bad stuff,
there's a simple little filter on this unit sitting at the back. It just takes out the bad things and leaves all the good things behind. It will last anywhere from 3 months to a year, depending on your climate.
The filter window changes color to let you know when it's time to replace it. The system even comes with attachments to handle all kinds of household chores, like washing baby bottles, cleaning toothbrushes, and rinsing food.
Come home from the grocery store, all your fruits and vegetables, put them in the bowl. That actually gets rid of 99.9% of pesticides off your fruits and vegetables.
And you can be sure it's working because the pros have been in on this secret for years.
Mother Nature uses superoxygen to clean the atmosphere. Hospitals use it to sterilize their surgical tools. Commercial fruit and vegetable growers use it to disinfect. We've just taken that technology and shrunk it down to a small appliance.
So say goodbye to cluttered cabinets because the only cleaner you need is coming straight from the tap. And remember, you can find out about all the great stuff you see on the show by logging onto our website at hgtv.com. I'm Tava Smiley. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time on I Want That Kitchens.